Life is nice with daily yoga asanas, as yoga can help you control blood pressure. Let's learn to do this asanas. Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward dog pose. Bend on hands and knees. Slowly lift knees from floor. Keep palms on ground and make legs straight. Breathe deeply. Hold the pose for a few seconds. Sukhasan or easy pose. Sit with legs extended. Slowly cross the legs and keep one leg on top of the other. Position each foot beneath the opposite knee. Place hands on the knees with palms down and straighten back. Continue to breathe normally. Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. Remain seated and extend legs forward. Bend the knees to bring the soles of both feet together and grab the big toes. Pull feet as close to your body as possible. Keep your back straight. Flap the thighs up and down like wings of the butterfly. Vajrasana or diamond pose. Remain seated. Fold legs under your body with knees close together. Keep spine straight and palms on knees. Breathe in and out while focusing between your forehead. Virasana or hero pose. Continue sitting with feet under the hips. Now move feet to widen the gap between the feet and rest of your buttocks between the gap. Keep spine and head straight and keep your hands on your thighs. Hold this pose while focusing on breathing. Shishu Asana or child's pose. Continue to be seated and lift your buttocks to sit on your heels. Inhale and touch forehead to the ground. Stretch your arms ahead of your head and rest them on the floor. Gently press chest on the thighs. Feel the stretch on spine while holding. Janu Sirsasana or head to knee pose. Sit with feet extended. Now bend your left knee out to the side and press left foot into the right inner thigh. Inhale and raise arms. Exhale and bend forward, keeping arms around the right leg. Try to hold ankle or foot. Hold for a few seconds. Repeat with the other leg. Paschimottanasana or forward bend pose. From Janu Sirsasana, come back to feet forward position. Flex feet and press your heels away from you, toes pointing upwards. Lean forward as much as possible, trying to reach your big toes. Loosely bend elbows out to touch the ground. Stay in the pose for 1 to 3 minutes. Ardha Halasana or half plow pose. Lie flat on your back and stretch legs, keeping heels and the big toes together. Stretch arms with palms down. Inhaling, press the palms and raise both legs slowly as high as possible without bending the knee. Hold the pose to complete inhalation. Setu Bandhanasana or bridge pose. Lying on your back, bend both knees and place your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Inhale and lift the hips up, keeping feet on the floor. Keep arms on sides, palms on ground. You can hold the lower back if required. Hold for 10 seconds. Shavasana or corpse pose. Lie down comfortably on your back with legs apart. Keep palms a little away from your body, facing upwards. Close your eyes. Focus on your body, breathe deeply and slowly. Hold for 10 minutes. Get up from your right side and feel relaxed and have a nice life. This patient education initiative is brought to you by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited.